Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dila Khairunisa, and this video I will explain about my research. My research about an analysis lexical errors produced by Instagram machine translation. Okay, the next is chapter 1. Chapter 1, Introduction, about background of the problem. So, background of the problem about this research is currently the word of translation has a different meaning in translating text. This is because there are machine translation that can help translators to translate text quickly. Meanwhile, what is currently happening, human rectification is still needed to check the result of machine translation. This is to ensure that machine translation work well when translating text. In addition, to avoid translation errors in the translation results, and it is hoped that everyone will get good information if the translation results have a high translation quality. Actually, there is no absolute standard of translation quality, but only more or less appropriate translations for the purpose for which they are intended. However, the accuracy of translation is very important to avoid the translation errors. On the other side, the translation problem also can arise from difference in context have not gone unnoticed in the literature on translation, based on the pragmatic rule. In translation, the process of translation also need to determine in the context of the text. It is because the same utterance will have a different interpretation if the contexts are different. It is also the same with translation context of the text. Therefore, a translation could be understood like meaning of search language. It is known that nowadays the advancement of technology is so fast. Okay, the next is problem identification and problem limitation, or focus and subfocus of the research. This study focus is analyzing Instagram machine translation from Indonesian to English. This study focus on identifying and classifying the types of lexical errors in the translation result produced by Instagram machine translation on Indopsychology account. Meanwhile, this study used Liebert taxonomy of error analysis from Vital et al. In lexical category, the writer also limits the research only analyzing the caption in one account, Instagram, but in different news. Therefore, everything posted in the account will be investigated if the caption can guarantee as the data of this study. And the next problem of formulation. Number 1, what are the types of lexical errors produced by Instagram machine translation on Indopsychology Instagram account? And number 2, how does the machine translation launched by Instagram represent be genuine language on Indopsychology Instagram account. And the next, objectives of the research relate to the research questions above. The purpose of this research is to identify, classify, and describe the type of errors generated by Instagram machine translation based on theory. On the other side, to find out how to machine translation launched by Instagram represents the original language on the Instagram account Indopsychology. And the next, I will explain chapter 2, review of related literature. So, Instagram machine translate in the era of globalization and approaching vision 2020. Internet usage is increasing rapidly. Machine translator vendors have started offering online translation services that are easily available and allow everyone to have access to the system. Recently, there is an application this is booming in the community. That's Instagram. Instagram was created by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger. Instagram is growing so rapidly and has been accessed by many people in the world. Instagram is also equipped with several features such as comments, likes, and Instagram machine translation. The next, translation errors. As we know that we never know the quality of the translation result produced by machine translation, there are no errors or not being debated. Furthermore, the term error means the usually something is wrong in written text, but in original and translate text, errors can be classified as pragmatic, semantic, idiomatic, orthographical, linguistic, or stylistic errors. And the next, lexical error. Machine translation results contain errors of various types. One of the types is lexical error. Empirical evidence shows that lexical errors are the most common in several studies. In addition, it contains errors related to errors which will to some extent affect the meaning of the text. When the target text output cannot identify the equivalent word as in the source text, then the word is translated using the wrong lexical item. And the next, chapter 3, research methodology. Next is research design. The research design used in this study is a descriptive qualitative approach to explain the data in detail, investigating and explaining the types of errors that Instagram machine translate makes. Research design refers to the strategy to integrate the different components of research projects in cohesive and coherent way. Some experts have different opinion about what is meant by research design. According to Creswell, research design is plans and the procedures for research to detail methods of data collection and analysis. And the next, a research subject. In the study, The caption on the Indo-Psychology account on Instagram, the translation by Instagram machine translation into data source. The author closed this account because the translation results contain many errors over being translated using the Instagram translation engine, especially in the category of lexical errors, and also had officials so that the information posted on the account could be trusted. And the next, data collection and instrument. In research, collecting data is very important. Data collection techniques have a very important role in a study and determine the success or failure of a study. In line with ARI, the most widely used methods in collecting qualitative research data are observation, interviews, documents, or analysis of artifacts. This research data was taken from the caption of one Instagram account which was translated from Indonesian to English using Instagram machine translation, entitled Instagram account Indo-Psychology. And the next, data analysis. Researchers must analyze the data in order to get the results of this study. And scientific books is often a commonly used analytical model. After all data is collected, the author reads the translate text or description using Instagram machine translation on the Indo-Psychology account on Instagram. The author compares the results of the translation with the source language. The next, chapter 4, finding and discussion. Finding. In this study, the authors analyzed two research-related data. This research question. The author analyzed the data using the theory of Villara et al. Based on the theory, the types of errors are divided into 5 main classes: missing words, words order, misspelled words, unknown words, and punctuation errors. However, of the types of error mentioned above, the types of errors related to lexical errors are only 3 types of errors. They lack words, wrong words, and unknown words. Of the two data collected, not all types of errors include in any text or caption of the Instagram account Indo-Psychology. Okay, data 1, findings: source language, target language, lexical errors produced by Instagram machine translation based on Villar et al. Number 1, mungkin maksud si cowok agar ceweknya gak cemburu kalau mengetahui cowoknya bersahabatan dengan cewek lain. Okay, target language probably means that the girl is not jealous to know her boyfriend is friendly with other girls. Lexical error produced by Instagram machine translation based on Villar et al. Missing word. And the next, unknown word. There is number 2, kalau si cowok nggak mau terbuka dengan kehidupan dan lingkungan pengalamannya. If the guy doesn't want to be open with life and circle of pergaulannya, unknown word. Okay. In analyzing in this data, the writer found 2 types of errors in lexical error category. Those are missing word and unknown word. The first error is a missing error. Instagram machine translation omits the subject in the target language. Omission the subject is known in the sentence probably means that the girl is not jealous to know her boyfriend is friendly with other girl. Where Instagramation translation not translate the word cowok in the search language as the subject of the sentence. Subject is the most important item that must appear in the sentence. On the other side, it is useful to make the reader understand the context easily. Therefore, the correct sentence should be probably the guy means that the girl is not jealous to know her boyfriend is friendly with other girls. The next missing word in this data is missing an article. Instagramation translation forgot for using an article in the sentence. In this case, it forgot the article the, where the article the is used to refer something that has already mentioned before. The omission article the found in the sentence if the guy doesn't want to be open with life and circle of pergaulannya. It can be seen in the sentence before the word circle should be added the article the. The next data to search language is wanita umumnya membutuhkan beberapa bulan untuk benar-benar yakin dan berani mengungkapkan perasaan cintanya. Target language, women generally need a few months to be genuinely confident and dare to express the feelings of his life. Lexical errors produced by Instagramation translation based on Villar et al. Incorrect word. Okay, analysis. In this data, it found only one error. That is incorrect word category. Incorrect word is produced when the system is unable to find the context Instagram of given a word. In this case, Instagramation translation had chosen the incorrect word when translating the word which is the position as possessive adjective here and there to express the feelings of his love. In the first sentence, Instagramation translation used the word his love to translate the word cintanya in the search language. It can be seen that be subject of the sentence woman, where woman is feminine. Therefore, the context word should be changed into her love. Okay, the next discussion. Instagramation translation is one of the features in Instagram apps. It provides the Instagram's users to translate the caption automatically by clicking See Translation. So it shows the all translation produced are done by machine translation, and human translator did not take role in translation process at all. Therefore, the translation quality of Instagramation translation based on the machine translation itself. Okay, the next chapter 5, conclusion and suggestion. Okay, number 1, conclusion. Based on the feelings and discussion in the previous chapter, it can be concluded that data from the caption on the Instagram account Indo Psychology contains 3 types of errors in the category of lexical errors. The errors are wrong words, missing words, and unknown words. However, their types of errors were not found in each data. Besides wrong words and missing words are the most common mistakes found in 10 data on the Instagram account caption Indo Psychology. In addition, Instagram translation engine cannot translate word properly when positioning the word in the source language as a pronoun, subject, object, or reflexive pronoun. Then all machine translation will get an unknown word problem in the translation process. And the next, suggestion. The field of translation is one of the current technological development, namely creating a different translation machine in the world of translation where the translation process does not involve human translators. However, there are also positive and negative sides of this development, such as the accuracy and quality of translation produced by machine translation. Okay, that's all for myself about my research about an analysis lexical errors produced by Instagram machine translation. Uh, Thank you for watching. Okay, and the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.